Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 online. That's right. And I'm not only going to show you how to make your first $1,000 online, I'm going to help you to do it fast. That's right. So what I'm going to show you is an amazing short training, but it's powerful because this is for anyone that's a beginner, even someone that's experienced. And what I'm going to show you is a super simple way that you can make your first $1,000 online fast, and it's free. It's gonna cost you nothing, and the setup is really simple. You're really gonna like this training, so make sure you watch this training until the end, because also at the very end I'm gonna give you a bonus tip in order for you to automate your business. Because this is gonna be super amazing. All right, let's begin. Okay, in order to learn how to make your first $1,000 online, especially fast, is you need to follow 4 important steps. I'm going to give you a bonus step. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is I'm going to go over these steps quickly. Step 1 is you need to choose a high ticket product or an offer to promote. That's right. I'm going to go over this in detail. So you want to choose step 1 is choose a high ticket product offer to promote. Step 2, you want to set up a TikTok account fast. Step 3, you want to use what's called a Google Chrome extension called Sort for TikTok. Step 4, you want to create content on TikTok. 3 videos every day. That's right. This is going to help you to learn how to make your first $1,000 online. All right, let's go into details. All right, so choose a high ticket product or an offer to promote something. So you want to choose, what's a high ticket product? A high ticket product is a product that's a digital product, an online product that costs like $1,000 or more easily, maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000 or even more. Now, I want to give you an example. The product I'm promoting is called Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 is an excellent affiliate marketing product, and I'm currently promoting. This is the creator. His name is Jonathan Montoya, and what I like about this program is that it's a high quality program. It's very popular right now, and if you notice here, this program costs $1,500. So another thing I like about this program is that I get 75% commissions. That's right, 75% commissions when someone buys this product. So for example, if someone buys this product, right, I'm promoting this product. If someone buys this product, I get over $1,000 just in commissions. So this is going to be the fastest way for you to make your first $1,000 online fast. All right, you want to promote high ticket products like this one, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Okay, going back here. Now the next step is step 2. You've already chosen your high ticket product, right? You already have your high ticket product. The next thing is step 2. You want to set up a TikTok account fast, right? So you need to go to your phone and you need to download TikTok. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here on my desktop on my computer a TikTok account that I've already created. So look here. This account I created is a dummy account. It's called Focus on Getting Rich. I'm going to click on it and look here. It's make money online with eReal. So what I'm doing is I have no followers, I have no likes, right? I have no people coming to my my account, right? If I already created, now I need to create some content. But before that, look here, look at this link right here. Here in this link, because I'm promoting this program right here, I'm actually promoting 2 programs, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, and also the creator of this program also created a 3-day challenge that's $7, and this 3-day challenge helps people set up their business in 3 days. But if they need more help, he will provide them with the opportunity to buy his high ticket product, which is Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 for $1,500. So if you look, going back here to the TikTok account, I'm promoting the program here. So if someone comes to my TikTok account and they click on it, look here, the people are taken here to his offer, and this is a $7 offer, as I mentioned before. But it's a 3-day challenge, and this program will help them to set up their business in 3 days. But if they need more help, then he will do everything he can to promote his program, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. And if someone buys this program, I get remember the commissions here. it's 1,500. I get 75% commission, so it's going to be easy, very easy for me to make my first $1,000 online. Okay, now going back here to TikTok. So that's what you want to do. You want to go. I'm going to go back here quickly. You'll have your high ticket product. Step 2 is you set up your TikTok account fast, right? And step 3 is this. Now we need to use a Google Chrome extension, and I want to explain why. We're going to use a Google Chrome extension called Sort for TikTok. So I'm going to go here. I'm going on Google. I type out Sort for TikTok. Now here, I've already downloaded it. So all you need to do is download it, right? Download it from the Chrome Web Store. So if you look here, after we download it, we need to go back here. We need to go to my TikTok account, right? You're gonna go to your TikTok account, and as I mentioned before, there's no content on here, right? So I need people that are on TikTok to find my account. In order to find my account, I need to create videos. Now I know what you may think, you don't want to create videos, but I'm going to tell you right now, TikTok is very great, very powerful for generating fast traffic, a lot of followers and a lot of views, and very easy for you to make your first $1,000 online fast. Okay, so you need to create content, right? And as I mentioned before here, I'm moving on to the next step. You want to create 3 videos every day. 3 videos every day on TikTok. Step 4, you create 3 videos every day. I know that may sound like a lot, but actually it's very easy. You can create like a video every 5 minutes. It's very simple, 5 or 10 minutes. So what you're gonna do is here. Now when you create videos, you just don't want to create any videos. You want to create videos that have the best content. And let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm gonna type out. So I'm in the make money online niche, but I'm also promoting an affiliate marketing program. So I want to find people that are also have affiliate marketing accounts, right? Similar to my account. So all I do is type here affiliate marketing, and I want to find accounts that have a lot of followers, right? So for example, this account has 58,000 followers. This account here has over 300,000 followers. That's great. And this guy here has over 100,000 followers. Now I want to follow these. I want to look for these accounts because they have followers. These people have a lot of followers because they're creating excellent videos. So I want to create videos that are similar to these individuals. For example, I'm going to click here. Now this guy has over 300,000 followers, over 3 million likes, right? So I want to create videos that are like similar to his, but I want to create the best videos. I want to model videos that are similar to his videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Google Chrome extension we downloaded called Sort for TikTok, and what it's going to do, it's going to sort through all of his videos from the videos that have the most views to videos that have the least amount of views. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at his videos that have the most views, and I'm going to model them. For example, look here. His first video has 8.8 million views. Wow, that's insane. Look at the second video, 5.1 million views, and third video, over 600,000 views. So I'm going to look at these 3 videos. I'm going to click on them. I'm going to watch the videos. I'm going to study them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a similar video like that for my own account. That's right, for my own account. And after I do that, I'm going to get a lot of views. I'm going to get a lot of traffic. I'm going to get a lot of followers like him. And what that's going to do is it's going to be easy for me to sell my product, right? Because people are going to be clicking on the link. Like here, I'm going to click on his link, and it's going to take me to something. It may be an affiliate offer, it may be a product. Here we go. He's promoting some kind of product here. I'm not sure what it is, but so that's what you want to do. So to go back quickly, you want to choose a high ticket product. You want to set up your TikTok account fast. You want to use the Google Chrome extension Sort for TikTok, and you want to create 3 videos every day. This is important right here. I want to stress something about this part right here. You want to create 3 videos every day, and you want to create a video, one for like in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one for the evening. So for example, first video at 9 a.m., second video at 12 p.m., and third video at 3 p.m. And the reason being is because most people are on TikTok during the daytime, so you really want to post them during the daytime. Okay, and the next step. Now this is a bonus step. So while you're creating while you're creating your content for on TikTok, right? You're creating your content on your TikTok account. You're creating videos, right? So I'm gonna go back here to my dummy account, focus on getting rich, right? So while you are creating content for your videos for your TikTok account, and you're getting more likes, more followers, and you're getting more people to click on your link, right? You need to be setting up what's called an opt-in page, a funnel, and an autoresponder to collect emails. Now the reason I mention this is because in TikTok, you don't own TikTok. So if one day TikTok decides that they're gonna ban you, they're gonna shut down your account, then your business is gone. It's gonna be hard for you to make money. However, by you setting up a opt-in page, a funnel, and an autoresponder, you can collect emails. That's right, which is really important. You can collect emails, and then you can email people your offers. You can email people your offers like this: Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, or a challenge, or another product. So keep that in mind. So you wanna, while you're going through these steps of this is easy. You just choose a product, your TikTok account is set up, and you're using this Google Chrome extension, and you're creating your videos. While you're creating your videos, right, every day, you're setting up your funnel, right, to collect emails. And this is the bonus part. A lot of people don't do this. A lot of people don't want to do this. They're just lazy. But I highly recommend for you to do this in order to collect emails, because like I said, TikTok can ban your account for whatever reason. And what you can do in the future is, after you set up your funnel, you can put your link here, right, and then you can start collecting emails, right? You can set up a page where you start collecting emails. And what I personally recommend is GetResponse. I currently use GetResponse, and for my funnels, GetResponse is amazing, and it's very cheap, and it's very powerful. And they also have amazing service. They have 24-hour service. This is what a lot of companies don't have. They have 24-hour service. So I highly recommend to set up your funnel using something like GetResponse. You can do everything here. You can set up your funnel, create an opt-in page, and collect your emails all in one. And then before you know it, you'll be making more than $1,000. You'll be making a lot more money than that. Okay, I hope you like this this tutorial. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions regarding this tutorial. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to continue to provide amazing information. And as I mentioned before, leave any questions, leave any comments, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.